my sister Rebecca Oberstadt. So today I'm going to be talking to you about a shampoo and conditioner product that I have been testing out and using for probably about a week and a half to 2 weeks now. These were like foil packets that I got either from a subscription box or like when you place an order from Ulta or Sephora, you get like a shampoo or conditioner or sometimes a perfume packet that's like a free sample. So I'm going to be talking to you about a brand called Ouai, O-U-A-I. I've tried some of their products out before in the past. Some of their sprays and stuff I really enjoy. I even have this like treatment mask thing that is like almost slap empty that I really enjoy. But this is for their Repair shampoo and conditioner. As you can see, I've had to fold the little packet to get all the shampoo out of here. And there's just a smidge of conditioner left at the top. I guess I need to start off with, I have very thick, coarse, wavy like hair. My hair is 100% natural. I don't really heat treat it. There's no chemical processing on my hair. My hair is 100% virgin. I did just cut my hair about 2.5 weeks ago, about 2.5 to 3 weeks ago for donation. And so my hair, a lot of weight has been removed from it. And so I figured while my hair was short that I would test out some of these like little singular kind of packet things that I have that I would have maybe gotten 2 uses out of with my waist-length hair. So the first thing that I noticed is that the shampoo comes out like a translucent, it's like a clearish yellow with a hint of like milk to it. It almost looks like somebody splashed some regular like milk in it when they were making it. It's kind of a very odd coloring, to be honest. It just has a light shampoo fragrance. It's not like overpowering or anything. When I wash my hair with it, it suds up and my hair, it feels like it's stripped. It feels super dry. It doesn't feel like hydrated or moisturized at all when I'm using it. And then you get onto the conditioner, which is a standard white cream conditioner, but the fragrance of it is really overpowering. The conditioner has, and I left a little bit in here so I could smell it and explain it. It's a nice like floral fragrance, but it is really overpowering, like really overpowering. Like if I was to spray this as a perfume, I would like spray the air like twice and then wait for it to fall a little bit and then walk through it. I wouldn't spray this directly on my skin or on my clothing or in my hair like I normally do with perfume so that it lasts a little bit longer. This is something that is so pungent that you kind of have to spray it in the air and then walk through it, because if not, it's going to knock you over. It is that powerful. It is a nice fragrance, but it is super like fragrant. It is very overpowering. And this just says Repair on it as well. The first 2 times, and the air just came on. So while using the shampoo, I did use the shampoo and conditioner for the first 2 times alone, like just by themselves, no product. I blew dry my hair one time and then I let my hair naturally air dry the next. I noticed that within 24 hours of shampooing my hair, and usually I can go 48 to 72 hours without washing my hair because I don't really get like oily or greasy hair. I noticed that my hair looked greasy, like I hadn't washed it in 2 weeks. The feeling on my hair, like the actual texture of it, it felt like slick and it felt like it had a lot of wax buildup on it. It also felt heavy. Now, I then tried to use the shampoo with my with another conditioner. I did test it out with the Dove conditioner that I'm testing out as well. And again, my hair got oily super quick and it didn't feel clean. So then the next time I shampooed my hair, I went ahead and used a clarifying shampoo that was from Suave. It's just something that you buy for like $3 at Walmart. And then I used the conditioner just on the ends. Then my hair felt really heavy and weighed down. It looked dull. It didn't look as shiny as it does right now. It didn't, I mean, yes, it felt soft, but it actually tangled. My hair tangled and knotted up on me, and I had a really hard time running a brush through it, which with the texture of my hair, I can literally tie knots in my hair and they just fall out on their own. So for my hair to naturally tangle like that, it's kind of odd. So then I tried using the shampoo, like washing it with one shampoo and then using the Ouai shampoo like after for my second cleanse, because I do wash my hair twice. And then again, mixing the conditioner with another conditioner. I did put both conditioners on my hand. I mixed them together and then ran it through my hair. Again, my hair felt like it was heavy. It felt like it was coated with a product. It felt like it was coated with a lot of like different products. It felt not clean. My scalp started to itch. It felt like I had a lot of buildup in my hair, and my hair was very dull after it dried. It didn't look shiny at all. It didn't feel healthy. And I was like, okay, this is really strange. So the last time I shampooed with it, I mixed the shampoo with another one in my hand at the same time and then applied it to my hair. It seemed to do okay after that. And then I put the conditioner on, again, mixed with another conditioner, and then I just lightly like ran it through the ends of my hair. I didn't put it anywhere near my scalp. And I rinsed and rinsed and rinsed and rinsed my hair until I could not feel that slippery feel of conditioner in my hair anymore before I got out. So doing that, it didn't leave my hair as heavy feeling. My hair still felt coated, and I noticed that it wasn't as dull as it had been. So yesterday the day before yesterday when I washed my hair, I ended up using my Love Beauty and Planet stuff, the smoothing one that has lavender in it, and I washed my hair with that. So that's what's currently on my hair right now, is the Love Beauty and Planet products. Thankfully, I have shampoos in my shower that I use to help say I've got product buildup in my hair and I need to get some of that stuff off my hair. I even have like the ion treatments that they sell that are the crystal treatments that you mix up with water and then you put it on your hair and leave it on for 15 to 30 minutes, and it removes like chemicals and chlorine and medications and hair product buildup off your hair. So I do have those kinds of things in my arsenal to keep my hair from feeling heavy and weighed down and lackluster. If you have super, super fine hair or even medium texture hair, I think if you use this and you even have, like me, I have a very dry scalp. I have a dry scalp to the point where my head itches throughout the day because my skin is dry everywhere, literally from head to toe. I'm dry. I'm constantly putting on moisturizer. I am constantly making sure that things are hydrated because my skin is so dry. I don't produce a lot of oil. I don't produce oils on my face. If I sweat, it like evaporates and I don't feel like sticky or tacky or greasy afterwards. I do live in Central Florida where it is very hot. Our humidity is about 60% every day of the year. So just to give you an understanding of what my skin and my hair goes through. For somebody else to use this that doesn't have thick, coarse, I mean, I have very, very thick hair. I have very coarse hair. And for somebody to use this that has a medium or a fine or an ultra fine texture, your hair is going to be so limp. It is going to stick to your head. Most likely it is going to feel greasy. It's going to feel heavy. It's going to feel weighed down. I honestly don't think, unless you have natural hair that is like kinky or coily, I don't think this product is going to work well for anybody that doesn't have some sort of like ethnic type textured hair. If you have like the really thick, rich, wavy, or curly, like Hispanic hair that is very rough to the texture most of the time, that is coarse in nature, but can also be very thick, I think those kinds of hair types will be good for the shampoo and conditioner, especially if you have like mixed hair or hair, like I wouldn't even recommend this for people like me that have Native American hair. I would recommend maybe if you have naturally unrelaxed hair that has more of a kinky or coily, not like the super like nappy, like really, really tight curls, but something that is naturally a little bit more relaxed. I think you could get away with the shampoo and conditioner. And that's coming from somebody who has worked in the salon industry that specialized with natural hair or with ethnic hair and has worked with relaxing balms and relaxers recurls and new growth and 100% natural hair and done braids and cornrows and sew-ins and micros and all kinds of different ethnic type styling processes, even though I'm light skinned, very light skinned. So from somebody who has my knowledge of varying hair types from, you know, the Western world, the Eastern world, where you've got Oriental hair that's very coarse, that's very resistant to things like perm solutions and color, and it's very like hard to get the hair to like lift and curl, things like that. I have worked with a wide variety of hairs throughout the years, and I can tell you there's very few people that I think will actually get use out of the shampoo and conditioner. Even if you do have very like damaged hair, I think you would have a hard time with this because it's going to leave your hair lackluster even with blow drying it and putting in some of the smoothing oils that I use that usually make my hair bouncy and soft and look super shiny and stay looking beautiful for days on end without me having to wash my hair. And I don't use dry shampoos because they make my scalp itch 10 times worse and they dry out my hair. So I already have dry hair, I already have a dry scalp. I don't need extra of that. I found that working with this product through the past 2 weeks that I absolutely just detest it. I cannot recommend this Ouai Repair shampoo or conditioner to anybody at all, period, because like I said, with the exceptions of like ethnic type hair and very specific ethnic type hair, I think some of their other products are really great, but they do heavily fragrance their products. So if you have a migraine condition like I do, and you have a hard time with shampoos and conditioners being over fragranced, or even skincare for that matter that is over fragranced, I think you might want to avoid this product altogether, just because the shampoo doesn't smell like much, but the conditioner, it like literally, it like smacks you in the face and then goes ch-ch-ch-ch, because the fragrance is that overpowering. And even after rinsing it out of your hair, blowing it dry, sleeping on it for 24 hours, you're still going to smell the conditioner in your hair. Like I said, it is a nice fragrance, but it is way too strong, way too overpowering. And I think if I had physically gone out in public, I did go out in public using this conditioner once, and thankfully I was at the store at a time when there's like hardly anybody there. You know, shopping it for the groceries at 4 o'clock in the morning does have its benefits, but I think had I walked by other people or people that are sensitive to fragrance, I would have caused some people to sneeze just by the fragrance that was coming off my hair, because I know it was, I had a migraine for like 3.5, almost 4 solid days after the second time of using this product. So I don't know if it was this product that contributed to that fact, or just allergies in general, or whatever that, you know, because I just get migraines at random. I don't have a specific like trigger for them, or if there is a trigger, I haven't found it. So I don't know. I think if you get like the little sample packets like this, test them out different ways, test them out with your current shampoos, mix them with current shampoos, test them out alone, that kind of thing. I think that will give you a better idea and understanding of how these products will work in your hair. Like I said, the very first 2 shampoos and conditioners, I use these products by themselves, and a little does go a long way. There was enough in here for me to shampoo and condition at least 6 different times in these little foil packets, and these are only 7 milliliters. So it's not a whole lot of product, but it gave me a really good understanding of what my hair was going through with using these. And I was having to wash my hair every other day or every day because of how this made my hair feel. So hopefully this review is helpful. I didn't want to do like a first impression. I was going to do one, and then I got thinking like the next day after I washed my hair, because I was going to do it with wet hair. I'm glad that I waited, and when I woke up the next morning and my hair was dry and I got to seeing what it looked like and how it laid and how it fell, that kind of thing, I really got an understanding of how this worked. I even tried to curl my hair at one point with this in it to do a style tutorial, and the curl really fell out on my hair within an hour. The curl was gone, and my hair holds curl pretty well. And I found that my hair felt like waxy. It felt greasy and waxy and disgusting, even though I had just washed it the day before, so, or I should say the night before. So I just don't think I could recommend this product to anybody unless you are really interested in testing it. Try and get a sample packet of it like I did and test it out and see how you like it before buying the full size, because these are very expensive. Like most Ouai products range anywhere from $30 to $120 for a single product. So I will leave the items for the links for these down in the description box if you're interested in checking these out and looking at the ingredients. I didn't even go over the ingredients because, to be honest, I'm just not, if I was interested in keeping it, I would have gone over it, but I'm not going to pick this up. I'm not interested in buying this, and I wouldn't recommend it to most people. So hopefully you guys enjoy this review, and if you did, then go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to leave me a comment down below on what you think of my review of this product and the fact that I tested it out for a longer period of time before bringing you a review on it. It will make uploading videos on this channel a little bit slower because I am testing out some products, but I'm like dedicated to testing one thing at a time, and you can only do so much. So hopefully you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys in another video very soon. Have a great day or night wherever you are.